Jeans, boots with oh, it's the same. Okay, what about this one? Oh, it's the same.
Black Friday deal?
I don't get it.
That's a deal?
Okay, this one? But it's the same.
Bro, that's not a deal.
I don't get it. I'm confused.
I'm dripping in my oven. You're dripping already.
Ah, Jesus. Jesus.
This is why you never let your man cook. Babe, what did you do?
I didn't think this shit was gonna freaking melt, bro.
Why would you put that plastic freaking...
Oh, look, the
my
pizza.
gosh.
The pizza's still good though. Look. Put this shit right here.
I can't. No, you need to
Why?
put it on something. This is why you do not let them cook.
Pick up the pizza. It looks fine from over here.
Dat je een adviescentrum dat voor een stuk niet actief is, een volledig activeert en zo de gemeente niet onder druk zet.
Overwegend zonnig met lokale buien en het gaat steeds harder waaien. Maximaal.
I'm not saying anymore.
Hey.
But he is really making me laugh.
Wow!
That was all me? That was all me?
Sınır zilimiz ha?
Oh, is that pasta? Nice. Nice. Just take all the water out. Boom!
Where's Jared?
Wow. Oh, that is cool. Oh, that's cool. Wow, that is cool.
How are you? I'm good. How are you? Good. And you guys need a nice white milk with extra sauce, 2 extra scoops of vanilla soft top and caramel drizzle, and extra sugar sprinkles. Yeah, that's me. Oh man.
Damn.
He's going nuts.
Damn.
With the Dr. Pepper.
To wash it down? Damn, worked the shit out of his finger.
Oh!
Uspiała.
Ok, piccolo chef. Andava solo.
Oh shit!
What is that? It's got a Ferrari sticker on it.
No, my glass. No glasses.
You're at the fucking wrong house. Wrong house. That one.
Okay, so after 4 months, we thought the ice maker would have stopped, but we think it kept going, so let's see what happens. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Okay, that's a little bit of ice.
I was just trying to smoke a cigarette outside. You're doing this in front of everybody.
Sorry, miss. Does this go to Michael Jackson, twist at your leg, athlete, don't run out of breath, beef, who may give it a rest? That's your one, I'm sucking her breast. Oh shit, Russ did it again. War is war, can't reason with them. Still trying to smoke them like blem. I lost my sister, I don't need friends. 10, excellent done. Bro, please look at her bum. Oh, if you ain't run, head and chest and aim for. Yeah, let's go to Northampton. Northampton? Yeah. Oh. Call it. Oh, okay, no worries. Cheers.
Oh my god, it looks so good.
Damn, it's so much bright tonight. Okay, you got a good picture of it?
Man, y'all got a good picture of the movie? I got a bad ass picture.
Duck sauce? What is this stuff?
Oh wow, that's pretty good.
Get on in there. Get on in there. You little fucker. Alright.
Dad, it's not our dog.
My brother just cut the top off this potato and is about to eat it like a potato burrito. He shoved it with shredded cheese and now he's shoving it chili into it. Please tell me, have you guys ever seen someone do this with a baked potato? Potato burrito. I swear to God.
Very good.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Don't break the window!
Oh no!
Oh no!
You smashed on the window!
Roll the window up! Got it!
Go, Pawpaw, go, Pawpaw! Oh my goodness!
Go.
Guys, it's not coming off. What do you mean it's not?
Far away!
Almost finished it? Finished? Oh, very nice.
Insert the flat metal fitting into the buckle of the strap to tighten. To release, simply lift the upper portion of the buckle. Turbulence may occur with no warnings. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times, even when the seatbelt sign is off. In the event of emergency, you will hear the command to brace. Refer to your safety features card for your brace position. Do not take any carry-on items with you during evacuation and follow the directions of the flight crew. There's a total number of 18 emergency exits on board this aircraft. There are 4 window exits located in cabin over the wings, 2 emergency door exits located in the forward, and 2 emergency door exits located in the rear. Please take a moment to find the exit nearest to you along with other exits, keeping in mind these could be right behind you. Should a power loss or emergency occur, floor level lighting will come on automatically and all exits will be indicated by, you guessed it, illuminated exit sign. Now should the cabin pressure change, full rostrum mask will automatically drop from the panel located above you. Remain seated, immediately pull the mask towards you to start the flow launch. Place that bright yellow mask over your nose and mouth, securing it behind your heavy elastic strap. Pull on the 2 loose ends at the front to tighten. Please put on your own mask prior to assisting others.
Oh dear.
In preparation to take off, please ensure your seat back is upright and your tray table has been stowed. If your electron device
About to make me a plate. You better stop. I'm gonna show him who made it.
Michael, turn it off.
They already got your voice. What is that? You tell me. If your baby don't cook for you like this, she don't love you.